As per uh, LIFO method, we are actually looking into the same previous problem. In the same problem, we have just done the same thing in LIFO method. So you know the opening balance will be the same as the previous method, 50, 10 and 500. Even the issues will be the same, 30, 10, 300. In LIFO what happens is, we send the goods which are latest, last in, first out. The goods which come into the factory will go out immediately after that, outside the factory. So in this case, there's a new receipt of 60 tons. 60 at 10.2, so 6.2. Now what happens? It gets added here 20 to the balance in the previous balance 20, 10, 200. 60 from the same thing, 60 into 10, 10.2, we get 6.2. Same as the previous method. Now a new thing will be when you issue a new goods out of the factory, you take it from this lot. Previously we took it from the previous lot, but now we're going to take it from the because it says last in first out, so we're going to take it from this lot. So when we take it from this lot, what happens is we take they've asked how many goods? They've asked 25 tons. So we take 25 at 10.2. Previously we took 10, now 10 for 25 to 10.2, we get 2555. Balance, we take it back. I've said here 20 into 10. Balance of this 60 minus 25, we get 35, 10.2, 375 will be balance. Because there was a loss, again one ton is taken into 10.2 again from this previous lot. So you get 34 left in the previous lot. Next thing is on 5th of April you have another issue. On 4th of April you have a new receipt of 10 tons at 9.15. So you get added, you multiply it, you get 91.5. You take it down here. So previous lot is taken, the fresh lot is taken 10 dollars. So now when you are issuing your goods, you take it from this lot. You are going to take it from the latest lot. So we have an issue as of 1st of April. What happens here is they have asked you have to issue on 6th of April, 5th of April, issue 40 tons. So we know that previously we have to issue from here, so we go backwards in LIFO. So you take 10 tons here, first 10 into 9.15, then you take from, so you know balance how much you need, out of 40 tons, then you take it over. So 30 is left, so you take 30 tons from here, so 30 taking 30 to 10.2, you get balance 4 left. So in this lot there's 20 left, in this lot there's 4 left, 20 to 10, 200, 4 into 10.2 is 40.8. On 6th of April, received 22 tons. So we have received back the goods, again receipt is 22 tons into 10.3, so you get 6.6. So this will again be added here, and again we have to go backwards. We have to take this time should be taken. So as on 7th of April, we have issued new tons. So again, issue we are taking. Make sure that we take it from here because last and first out. So we are totally supposed to take 38. So 22 is taken. We take 4 tons, which is left here, taken. 20 minus 12. So you add this up, you should get 38. When you add this, you should get 38. So the corresponding amount should be taken. Multiply that. Balance will be from 12 tons have been taken. Balance will be 8 into 10, 80. So the closing stock as per LIFO method will be 8 tons at 10 each, which is 8. So we are doing FIFO, first in, first out. It actually means that it's a type of inventory valuation where the goods which come first into the factory will go out of the factory. So the sum starts like this. The following is the record of receipts and issues of certain material in the factory. 1st of April, opening balance 50 tons at rupees 10 per ton. Opening balance has been taken as of 1st of April, sorry. So the opening balance has been taken here, 50 tons at rupees 10 each, so 500 balance cost. The next entry is on 1st of April there was an issue, meaning goods are going out of the factory. So issue on 1st of April, there is 30 tons which is going out of the factory, 30 at rupees 10 each, because the amount which we have added is at 10. So we have taken 10 here, so 300. So the balance 50 minus 30. 30 has been taken issue. So balance is 20. 20 into 10 per ton, which is 200. 2nd of April, receive 60 tons. So receipts, there's a new issue, there's a new receipt which is coming into the factory as on 2nd of April. So receipts, you're receiving 60 tons. There's a new price here that is 10.2, which is the latest price. So 60 into 10.2, you will get 612. This is FIFO, so it gets added. We're showing it separately. There is 20 tons of rupees 10 each, and there is 60 tons of 10.2 each. Which actually, if you multiply, this is 200. 60 into 10.2, we will get 612. As on 3rd April, there's an issue of 25 tons. So as on 3rd April, there's an issue of 25 tons. So again, goods are going out of the factory. So we are issuing how much? 60. We are issuing 25 tons. So 20 and 20 from this lot, because this lot has 20 tons. So directly we take 20. 5 tons from this lot, that is from the 60 lot, we're taking 5 tons. So 20 into 10, 200, this is gone, this particular lot is gone. And 5 into 10.2, you get 51. Balance 55, that is 60 minus 5, you will get 55. 55 into 10.2, you will get 161. As for actually what happened in this lot, there has been a previous issue which was at a loss. So because of that, we are actually taking another issue. It's given in the question that as on 4th of April, received back from orders 10 tons previously issued at 9.15. That's what the question says. So we have to actually take another loss, that is at 1, because they have said that one particular ton has been there was a loss which we had to actually show. So 1 into 10.2, you get again 10.2, balance 55 minus 1, you will get 54, 10.2. So 54 into 10.2, you get 550.8. As on 5th of April, there's an issue. There's an issue of 50 tons. Yeah, there's an issue of 40 tons. I'm sorry, 40 tons. As on 5th of April, there's an issue of 40 tons. And this time they have not, obviously we will take the previous, because there's only this slot is left. So we will take 10.2, 40 into 10.2, 408. Balance 54 minus 40, you will get 14. Right? So, yeah, 14. It's here, sir. Next one is, as on 6th of April, we have received 22 tons. 6th of April, we have received of 22 tons. 22 into 10.3, that is 226.6. So as on this day, we have to add back the stock. So 22 tons we are receiving. So here we add back the tons. 22 into 10.3, this is 226.6. As on 7th of April, we have issued 38. So we have issued totally 38. So we have stocks of these worth. So first 14 will be from this category, the next 10 will be from this category, and the last 14 will take it from the 10.3 lot. So 14 plus 10 plus 14 plus 14 plus 10 again adds up to 38, and we'll take this amount proportionately, and the balance left is from this lot. 22 minus 14, you get 8. 8 into 10.3 is 82.4. So the closing stock as per FIFO, will be 8 tons at 10.3 each, which is 82.4.